Here we are in Snapshot looking at a deployment pipeline. I'm going to show you how to synchronize any Salesforce Org with a repo or a repo with a Salesforce Org. So first, you need to set up a developer project to connect to your online repository. You want this button checked, and the format can either be Metadata API, Eclipse IDE, or Salesforce DX. The name of this project is test repo. I've set up my pull commands with my username, Bill Appleton, the repo name, test repo, and the local project name, which is also test repo. This string here will launch the online repo in GitHub. The push commands are very simple, and then I can take a snapshot. When I take a snapshot, it takes a picture of the online repo, and now I can run all of my reports and other things on the repo as well. So now if I want to move objects from the Salesforce Org into the repo, I just connect them with a deployment arrow and select the objects that I want to move. And deploy. And now instead of moving the objects into another Salesforce account, they're moved into the repo. And now we can launch the repository browser, and you'll see all the objects I just moved in there a few seconds ago. So it's also easy to move objects from a repo into a Salesforce org. Once again, just connect the repo to the org and double-click the deployment arrow. Now remember, I'll need a snapshot of my source repo. So let's take that right now. And now I can look at all the assets in the repo, which are right here, and select whatever assets I want and deploy them into the destination org. So it's very, very easy to move data in an org to a repo or a repo to an org. You can also move metadata between two orgs or between two repos. You can synchronize online repositories, local folders, and live Salesforce orgs with all of the different deployment tools. Okay, that was a brief demonstration on how to synchronize orgs and repos. Thank you very much.